Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Genshin Optimizer and choose Import to load your UID or export file. Use the web export from your account to get accurate gear and character data. Connect your account using your UID, then import characters and artifacts from that file. Check that weapon levels, talent ranks, and artifact substats imported correctly. Set the game version and language so calculations match live mechanics. Save the profile before continuing to avoid data loss. Make a backup export file now to keep progress safe. Create or select a team, then assign a main DPS and support roles for synergy. Add weapons and artifact sets to lock options or leave slots open for searching. Use artifact filters by set, main stat, and substat minimums like 3, 5, or 20 to narrow results. Prioritize stats such as crit rate, crit damage, ATK, and elemental mastery depending on your DPS. Choose the optimization mode such as single target or average damage for clearer comparisons. Run the optimizer simulation to compare the top 20 builds and DPS numbers. Review the optimizer report for final DPS, stat breakdown, and artifact map to see where gains come from. Inspect each recommended build and look at substat roles and main stat distributions for clarity. Use the compare view to see differences between options and choose the most consistent one. Export chosen builds to clipboard or save them as presets for in-game use and easier swapping. Equip recommended artifacts and weapons, then test in domain or overworld for validation against real combat. Iterate by
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.